Making pizza in microwave oven. It is a very simple procedure. You need to have a microwave oven with convection mode option. Get ready with pizza base, vegetables like onion, capsicum of different colors, sweet corn or paneer cubes or boneless chicken cubes. We have used ready-made pizza sauce as a base layer topping. Chop down required amount of capsicum of different colors along with onion. Pieces of capsicum as well as onion should be thin and linear in shape. This will allow proper cooking of vegetables used in pizza. After this, we will get ready with our microwave procedure. First of all, brush oil liberally on the grill high stand which comes along with microwave oven. Now place pizza base on top of the grill. Now moderately brush oil on top of the pizza base as well as on the edges. For making base layer of pizza, you have to take 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce and spread uniformly on top of the pizza base. On top of pizza sauce layer, uniformly place cheese layer with the help of grater. Mostly we use mozzarella cheese or plain cheese. Now our second layer of cheese has been ready. On top of this cheese layer, we have to arrange all our capsicums, onion as well as premier ingredient, in our case sweet corn. You can also use sweet corn paneer combination or use individually, or you can also use cooked boneless chicken cubes. After arranging all the vegetables and premier ingredient like sweet corn, you have to tap a bit so they can settle down along with cheese layer. On top of this, you have to use moderate amount of cheese to prepare the topmost layer. As a final procedure of cooking, now you have to Set your microwave oven in convection mode at 200 degrees centigrade. Preheat the microwave oven for 5 minutes. Once the microwave oven completes preheat time, place the pizza carefully inside the microwave. Now set the timing of microwave oven at 8 minutes or 10 minutes. It varies from microwave to microwave, but basically at 200 degrees centigrade, pizza can be cooked within 8 to 10 minutes. Once the microwave completes 5 minutes of cooking time, open the microwave oven and check the cooking status of pizza. After this, continue cooking till the total set time. Take out the pizza from the microwave after completion of cooking time. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes as the pizza is going to be quite hard to handle. Transfer the pizza on a flat plate. Now make use of pizza cutter to cut your pizza into pieces and serve hot. I humbly request all the viewers to like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon